Not Fresco.
Fresco? Yeah, I want mine just like that.
He makes money. Fresco, I'm going to know.
We'll get pistache.
Buy a pistache, huh?
You get cocoa?
Cocoye. Cocoye Fresco.
One, two, three, four, five, six. Trois, quatre et trois, sept.
Tout bon.
Last they know it.
Go ahead there. Ananas, cocoé.
That's pineapple and
passion fruit.
Yeah, ananas.
Pineapple. Which one's gonna buy me one?
E pa pou seki nan pa mwen la?
Non, e glas la fè sa.
Ou pe ti ba nan?
Non, glas la fè sa. Apre as ou ba la se kanel. Pou yave kanel. Everything.
What kind is that?
Ananas and cherry. Ana le manje ou pou mimi?
Abi ba matanya?
Hurry up.
What you get?
Hey, how you doing?
Amos, what kind you getting, Amos?
Grenadier sur black.
Soup bleu.
What's a boy called Anisette?
Anisette. Oh. What kind you got?
I have granata and cocoa.
How is it? Good? You getting one?
Mine's better. What is fruit? Mine is the best. Mine is the best.
Man, you buy that.
Yeah, you come with
Qui qualité ça est là?
Blueberry cherry.
Comment on les blueberry en Haïti?
Blueberry, blue. Blue.
Blueberry. Mango and
Mango, I don't have mango.
You don't have any mango?
No.
Alright, you got pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple.
Pineapple and blackberry open. Pineapple.
Let me film it avec Ashley Noé.
With the Fresco.
What kind is that? What kind you getting?
This is pineapple and passion fruit. Yeah. And then can you put
That's
cherry and
not
blueberry in
pineapple.
there?
Passion fruit is not blue.
No, not in this one. This is blueberry.
How
and
come you got
passion
two?
fruit. No, it's for
France.
France and the other one.
Zachary?
Yeah.
What kind you getting?
Et tout qui bon, bien sûr. Fresco Nan Miami.
What kind is that? What kind is that? Only pineapple? You didn't mix it up with anything?
And passion fruit. Blueberry and passion fruit. Taste it, taste it.
How y'all gonna be able to eat?
Uma bagala,